Here's the inside of the Mach 1. It smells pretty funky, so I added a little bit of a cleaner. I'm gonna let it sit a couple days, then come in here and start vacuuming it up since it's had a little bit of extra life in here throughout. But here's the condition it's in. Not horrible, not perfect either. So, that's the original color right there. Got some new weather stripping already ordered. I'm gonna give it a nice cleaning. It's an inline, or it's a four speed thing. Stick. The headliner needs to be replaced. The seats in the back. I can get working on the car now that it's a lot nicer outside.